Okay, the next thing you can do is you can hire a specialty title underwriter. These are the two that I've used. Clear to Sales in Palm Beach, Tax Title Services is based in Arizona. And what both of those companies have done is they got close to a title insurer, an underwriter like Republic or Commonwealth or one of the big underwriters, and they have title insurance underwriters. And they said, here's what we'd like to do. We'd like to offer to the public our services to quiet their title without the necessity of a quiet title lawsuit. And here's what we're going to do. So what these two companies do is, in order to insure title, they go to the county or they get the documents from the county that the county filed on behalf of this tax deed applicant. If all the documents are correct, all the notices are correct, then they have the authority to offer title insurance from the two underwriters that they work for. And I don't know who they are, but I used to, but I don't anymore. So they may have changed, but the fact is you can only get the title insurance policy from whoever Clear to Sell or Tax Title Services is holding hands with. But that's okay. A title policy is a title policy. This is best used when you're in a hurry because a specialty title underwriter can get them done. Clear to Sell did them for me in under 20 days. That's unheard of, under 20 days. And the cost of the policy are going to be equal to what a quiet title lawsuit would cost you. But the thing is, it's the speed with the specialty title underwriters. They can get it done fast. Lawsuits, of course, take their time because we have to go according to a judge's docket, to an attorney's time. So this is clearly the way to go if you want speed.